Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Welcome to this video review about ProDentim. My name is Aline, and today I'm here to help you guys know everything about this supplement and a little bit more. So if you have interest in the ProDentim and you would like to get, to start using it, to get to know more about it, I suggest you stay tuned and watch this video until the last minute. Also, let me tell you right now that I will be leaving ProDentim's very own official website just here in the description box for you guys, all right? Here's why. The official website is the only place where you need to be going to purchase the ProDentim. That's the only place on the whole internet that is allowed to sell ProDentim. So that's why get it from here. You're gonna be stress-free, you're going to receive the original ProDentim, and you don't have to have any frustrations in the future. Plus, that is the only place that will give you a full refund should you need one, but we'll talk more about that refund later on, all right? Now, guys, ProDentim, it's a tablet. So basically, it contains 3.5 billion probiotic strains. Do you know how many probiotic strains that is? Basically, all these probiotic strains will enter your mouth and start to do a full repairment and cleanse of your oral health. Not to mention that it will help you with your digestive system as well, as you will be swallowing your saliva, and that is going to basically clean up your gut area as well. But if you are suffering from bad tooth decay, sensitive gums, your teeth are yellow, and you don't have enough money to go to the dentist, because we all know how expensive dentists are nowadays, right? That is where the ProDentim comes in to help you out. So yes, it is 100% natural, meaning that ProDentim has zero side effects and no contradictions. Guys, basically ProDentim will help you restore your teeth, so you are going to have whiter teeth. You are going to prevent tooth decay and cavities, not to mention that your gums are going to be extremely healthy. So you're going to be able to enjoy any type of meal that you like, any type of beverages as well. So also, what's really great about ProDentim is that throughout the day, you're going to have a fresh, minty breath. It is very good in doing what it does. It has already proven itself to be very efficient because lots, by lots, I mean thousands and thousands of people are already using ProDentim and experiencing great results with it. So you can say goodbye to going to the dentist every 6 months or so. We all know how sometimes when you go to the dentist, the bill later is really, really big, right? But ProDentim is nothing like that. So it's a tablet that you're going to chew on that will whiten your teeth, help you have fresh breath, restore your teeth's health, like decay, cavities, things like that. Not to mention it's going to restore your gums, so no more bleeding gums and no more sensitive gums. And the best part about ProDentim is how easy it is to use. It comes in form of tablets, and all you have to do is chew on one tablet per day, and that is it, guys. I mean, that is it. And you know what? It's best that if you do want to purchase ProDentim, start your treatment with either a 3-month or a 6-month package, all right? That will be more than enough time for your body to adapt to it to deliver results. And please do not expect to get results overnight. That is clearly not how ProDentim works, but give it a few weeks and you should start to see great results in no time. And guys, you are backed by a whole 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you need a refund, you just redirect yourselves to the official website, talk to the support group, and those guys are going to help you get all of your money back. So the official website is the only place you need to purchase it in order to get a full 100% refund back should you need it, all right? Now, what are you waiting for, guys? The official website is here waiting for you. Check out more about ProDentim over there. For now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do not forget also that if you are having some sort of doubts or questions, leave them in the comments below and I will gladly help you out. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.